We're heading to Gulmarg today. Starting price कितना है पश्मीना का?
ऐसे मटेरियल में शॉल लोगे, शॉल हमारे पास 1 लाख का आएगा।
Just take a look at this view. भैया एलओसी कितना दूर है इधर से?
ये वाला पहाड़ हमारा है।
नीचे वाला?
हाँ, ऊपर वाला जो
उनका है।
Super man, you are riding on the heaven.
How many times would you get chance to just walk on top of a snow-capped mountain at roughly 14,000 feet? Gulmarg done.
I loved it in the face too.
Hey guys, lazy good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when I'm watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Done here at Pahalgam. We're heading to Gulmarg today. We have a 2-night stay there. But somehow I didn't get good sleep in the upgraded room here. The bed was too spongy. I was going down and I got up like at 4 or 5. This is happening since 2 nights. Just had our breakfast. Decent. On a whole, how would I rate this hotel? 7 to 7.5 out of 10. Breakfast spread could be better. The rooms, the upgraded room was nice, really good. But I wish the bathroom was also heated like in Srinagar. But otherwise okay. I'll enjoy my coffee and catch you guys on the road. आपका स्टोर का नाम जी?
वानी शॉल्स।
वानी शॉल्स। गुलमार्ग से 30 किलोमीटर का दूर है ना?
एक आएगा हमारे पास ऐसा स्वेटर, ये आएगा 850 का।
अच्छा।
850।
ये लोकली बनता है जी?
ये इधर का ही बना हुआ सब।
अच्छा, इधर का है।
पीछे गांव में। एक आएगा ऐसा, ये आएगा 1250, 1250। अगर कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव देखना है, लाइक ऐसा सॉफ्ट और सुपीरियर क्वालिटी, लाइक पश्मीना मटेरियल में।
पश्मीना।
ये देखो, ये आएगा 2000।
A few moments later.
This is for mom, or this is for Manogram's friend. No space for me in the baggage, so I'm good. ये स्टार्टिंग प्राइस कितना है पश्मीना का?
ये 5800 की स्वेटर है।
अच्छा।
इसमें अगर आप ऐसे मटेरियल में शॉल लोगे, शॉल हमारे पास 1 लाख का आएगा, 75,000 का आएगा, 20,000 का आएगा, 40,000 का आएगा, डिपेंड्स ऑन द वर्क।
ठीक है। और ये बहुत पतला लग रहा है, पतली लग रहा है।
जितना पतला उतना सॉफ्ट और सुपीरियर क्वालिटी होता है।
अच्छा। आपका एक शॉल दिखा सकते हैं एम्ब्रॉयडरी का?
शॉल तो ऊपर, ये देखो
पूरा हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी का।
पश्मीना विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी, दिस इज नीडल वर्क।
नीडल वर्क। अच्छा। ये
पिन
कितना का है?
हाँ,
ये कितने का?
for 28,000.
28 में।
Elderly people make this kind of the workmanship in Kashmir.
अच्छा।
Young people they don't have patience, they make this kind of the workmanship.
इसमें ईमेल कर सकते हैं आपको, यही नंबर पे कॉल करो। इसमें 4 नंबर है, 4 चलेगा?
सब चलता है।
ठीक है। Just reached our hotel here in Gulmarg called Kolahai Green. What you just heard is an espresso machine. We have a good coffee, I guess, hopefully. There are only few hotels nearby the gondola ticket counter. They are the best hotels in Gulmarg. This is one of them. The other is Khyber, that is way over the top. Per night, if you can find availability, it's around 45-50,000. Madness here. कभी-कभी 1 लाख के ऊपर भी है. Anyway, it's 3:15 already. Super hungry. We'll have a quick lunch and decide what's the plan for today. Today we wanna just figure out stuff for tomorrow. Chill. The driver's not going to be here. There's a thing about taxi cabs, and here all these tourist locations they have local unions. So outside guys can't come and take you around. You have to hire a local taxi. Luckily for us, there's not much to roam around. If we have to roam, we'll either have to hire a local taxi or use a horse ride. So I think our driver would head back and pick us again day after tomorrow like he did today from Pahalgam. That's how it is. Expensive. Technically I'm paying only for 3 days in the entire 6-day trip. because rest of the 3 days he's at home. But kuch emergency hai to he's available. He can't take other rides. That's what he says. One of the best paneers I had since in the whole trip. You like the paneer?
Yes. Very nice.
Dal khichdi also is good. Little salt missing. You see, that's the hotel we are staying. This is Hotel Hilltop. So this is the route to the gondola ticket counter. Just 5 minutes from the hotel. You will be hounded by a lot of guides for different activities, but there is a government set rate for everything. You have to negotiate below that. That's the highest limit. So be mindful when you're coming here. Gulmarg, Belgaum, हर चीज़ में थोड़ा bargaining करना पड़ेगा. Level of snow here right now, much higher up there, but decent. We're just going to access an ATM because all the payments happen in cash. Efficient. Also good to acclimatize for a day. Instead of day trip, two nights would be a better option because the highest altitude is around 4,000 meters. The highest peak, that's the phase 2. This is the entry to gondola. Apparently no queue now, but in the morning there will be some queue, I guess. That's a ride for tomorrow. This is our room. Washroom worth 15,000? No, but you don't get good hotels here in the peak season. Chalo, we're gonna drop some stuff, go for a walk and enjoy the Gulmarg town and see if there is anything to do there. So we found this place called Global Ski Shop here in Gulmarg while walking to the main town. Aapka naam ji? Rais. Both helpful information दे दिया, and he suggesting skiing for 7 days and 6 nights. November, December, Jan, Feb में. Trekking events भी organize करते हैं आप?
जी
सही है.
कश्मीर ग्रेट लेक्स करवाते हैं, सो उसी की तैयारी चल रही है.
कितना दूर है इधर से?
यहाँ से 165 किलोमीटर्स 100
अच्छा, पैदल पूरा 160.
वो गाड़ी छोड़ते हैं, सो वी डू लाइक 24 किलोमीटर्स पर डे.
Some of the time we will be coming for a trek. Maybe summer time पे अच्छा रहेगा शायद.
हाँ, फॉर ट्रेकिंग टू बी बेस्ट टाइम.
Chalo, we'll have one more reason to come back here. I don't know if you can see, but there are some cable rides there. You see that? That's level 1. That's level 2. That's the online line, all the way sneaking up from here. And this is if you come at 9:30. Imagine if you come at 10:30, 11, and then you have a line upstairs.
A few moments later.
We're getting an exclusive one just for 2 of us. So the only thing we purchased locally was these gummy boots for 150 for both of us. Don't pay more than 85 rupees for one set. I think this would be more fun when there is full snow.
Yeah.
Like all this would be covered in snow. Roller coaster మధ్యలో కరెంట్ అయిపోతాయి అన్నమాట తెలుసా?
ఎందుకు?
హిల్ మధ్యలో అయిపోతే ఎట్లుంటుంది తెలుసా?
ఇలా ఉంటుంది.
We stopped here. Maybe power cut. Reach level 1. Next is level 2. And that's line for level 2, which goes all the way up there. Man, level 2 looks quite high. That's almost an elevation of maybe 700 meters. That's where the line is. Chalo, I think it's better to finish level 2 and then do level 1. Even the weather would be better at level 1 later. Level 2 has the best weather right now. Take a look at this view. Phase 1 is somewhere down there. Arey wah. At the top. वो लोग ऊपर तक जा रहे हैं. एलओसी पॉइंट वही है ना?
नहीं, ये बेस कैंप है हमारा, इंडियन आर्मी का बेस कैंप.
हाँ.
हमारा लास्ट कैंप आगे पड़ता है 1 किलोमीटर दूरी पे.
अच्छा.
जी, उसी के लिए हम लोग लिफ्ट प्रोवाइड करता है आना जाना, क्योंकि यहाँ ऑक्सीजन कम है, यहाँ बंदा नहीं चल पाता ऊपर, क्योंकि ये 14,000 हाइट है.
कितना चार्ज करते हैं आप?
इसका हम देता है 2,200 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन आना जाना. ओके, नेक्स्ट. और बैंड नी थोड़ा बेंड करना है इसे, टांगे है ना शूज के साथ टच, गैप 6 इंच, गैप 6 इंच। चलो आप गैप मेंटेन, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, वेट हमेशा आगे।
अच्छा
यस, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, वेट आगे, गुड, यस। आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आ जाओ,
हाँ
वहाँ पर कोर्स करवाएंगे आपको, हम 6-7 दिन का हम लोग करवाते
अच्छा।
हैं। टेक रेस्ट।
कहाँ तक
ये हो
जाते?
गया असली नज़ारा।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
आपका नाम जी?
माय नेम इज़ फारूक, आई एम फ्रॉम गुलमर्ग
अच्छा
एंड आई एम प्रोफेशनल स्की गाइड हियर।
सही है। वहाँ पे पूरा पहाड़ों को स्कीइंग हो गया?
या हम लोग यहाँ पे इन माउंटेनों पे, यहाँ पे जब से इंटरनेशनल बंद
हाँ।
हुआ था, उससे पहले हम लोग फॉरेनरों के साथ जाते थे।
अच्छा,
और यहाँ पे हम हिली स्कीइंग करते थे, वो चॉपर जाता था वहाँ पे।
चॉपर?
हाँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे लिफ्ट फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है।
अच्छा
बाकी यहाँ तक गंडोला फेज 2 आता है।
अच्छा
यहाँ से हम गंडोला में आते हैं, ये जो माउंटेन्स है फ्रंट वाले,
हाँ
यहाँ पे हम लोग करते हैं स्कीइंग थ्रू गंडोला,
अच्छा
क्योंकि वहाँ लिफ्ट नहीं है, वहाँ पे हम जाते हैं चॉपर में पहले।
अच्छा।
हिली स्कीइंग होती थी वहाँ।
I don't know how much you can hear because there's a lot of wind noise. This is the best I could do. कैसा है मैं बिगनर के लिए?
आपके लिए अच्छा है, आपके लिए अच्छा है, आपने अच्छा किया, आपने अच्छा किया। स्की आपका फर्स्ट राउंड था, ये आपका फर्स्ट टाइम भी है,
हाँ
बट इट्स वेरी इजी।
yeah,
बट यू
थोड़ा
कमिंग नेक्स्ट
control.
टाइम, यू कमिंग नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड यू विल लर्न प्रॉपर।
सही है जी। Taking a break because I need to wait for Manadna. She is yet to come. थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. Looks like I'm slightly a better beginner than her, but the trainer was really good. So he's charging us 2,000 for some time, 1 hour, 1.5 hour with guide and skiing rails. That's I think a decent rate. Did you fall?
No, I didn't, but I was about to.
अच्छा,
This is the LOC.
this is not the LOC.
That's what he said.
थोड़ा आगे रहते। भैया LOC कितना दूर है इधर से? ये पहाड़?
ये वाला पहाड़ हमारा है।
नीचे वाला?
हाँ, ऊपर वाला जो उनका है।
उनका है। मगर आप हेलीकॉप्टर में उधर गए तो कुछ वीजा?
वो जो है ना,
हाँ
वो एरिया हमारा यहाँ पे, वहाँ से लेके
हाँ
वो एरिया, वो टॉप वाला वो भी हमारा है।
अच्छा
हाँ, उधर से इस साइड का ये जो है ये हमारा है।
अच्छा, ये सिर्फ ये पहाड़ों उनका है?
ये वो वाला सेंटर का पहाड़ उनका है।
अच्छा
ये ऐसा
कभी आते रहते हो वो लोग?
नहीं यहाँ
कुछ नहीं,
यहाँ पे कोई टेंशन नहीं।
कोई टेंशन नहीं।
यहाँ पे इससे ये एरिया पूरा सेव है।
हाँ
Come on, use your right stick to come left, but don't keep your knees straight. Bend forward, bend your knee forward. Yes, push together. Yes. Super, man, you are riding on the human. How was it? Well?
मस्त है। आपका नाम जी?
मेरा नाम आरिफ है।
आरिफ है। He was the instructor for her.
He is a wonderful trainer.
5 out of 5.
Yes.
Or how is she as a beginner?
She is doing very good, and if she come here for like 1 week, she can ski, first phase to Gulmarg. Like,
Acha. So in terms of activities, you have 3 things. One sled, one skiing like we did, and third option is you'll be behind, someone would be skiing and you'd be just tagging them along. That's good for beginners or who are scared of skiing on their own. I would say try skiing because it's so much fun. 1:30 ho gaya. We're just trekking and walking here, chilling, because how many times would you get chance to just walk on top of a snow-capped mountain at roughly 14,000 feet? Whew. And the reason I'm wearing a mask, not COVID, it's open area mein, I doubt you'd get anything. It's so cold. This is giving me that insulation. With my experience of being in Canada, you need to cover a few things. You need good gloves, good gear, caps to cover your ears, and good shoes. That's it. You can sustain in -5, -10 also. If it is a little more cold, one more jacket. Just done with our lunch here at Kolahoy Panorama. This is the same place where we are staying down the hill. Decent food. If you are looking for something better than a Maggie stand or something, you can try. Same food that we had downstairs. But best part about this hotel is once you come out, you get this view. The field you see here in the background, this is level 1. There used to be snow here till I think March 15th. Pura gaye. And there are still some activities here. There is still some snow. As you can see there, a lot of ATVs, snowmobiles. I think sledding bhi hai thoda, not too much. But if there was full snow here, there would have been a lot of activity with some skiing, rail skiing, like we did up there behind this mountain. So we'll just chill here, no activities. None of us are so excited about ATVs or sledding. Snowmobile maybe, but snowmobile is fun when you have to go through a forest and all. This is just 2-3 hills and then just flat plain lands. Done with level 2 and level 1. Now heading down and see the line. Half an hour, 45 minutes back, we didn't have this much of a line. Gulmarg done.
I loved it in the phase 2.
Phase 2, level 2 is